Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Leap Year in Pokémon Unite. Open the Events tab and find the Leap Year banner, then tap Details to view objectives and timers. Prioritize daily missions and token exchanges that offer the best boosts for your role. Coordinate with teammates during themed matches to maximize win points and claim limited skins and items before the event expires. To activate Leap Year bonuses, collect and redeem event tokens in the exchange shop immediately after logging in. Equip any temporary boost from the event menu before queuing to ensure it applies for your next match. Combine those boosts with held items that match your role to amplify impact. Remember to check cooldowns and durations so you don't waste tokens on mismatched loadouts during multi-match sessions. During Leap Year events, prioritize objectives that yield point multipliers and temporary buffs, then rotate as a team to capitalize on them. Pick heroes that can clear minions or secure goals swiftly to convert multipliers into wins. Communicate about timing for major objectives like Dreadnought and Zapdos when event bonuses are active. Finally, manage your token spending so you unlock the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.